To pair your ALEKS course with Blackboard, you're first going to start on the Blackboard side. You're going to go into your Content tab and then look for Build Content at the top. On your Build Content, you'll see all of your tools that are enabled for you by your institution. You're looking for the ALEKS tool. Mine is just labeled ALEKS, but yours might be slightly different depending on what your school has labeled it. It'll then ask you to label it for the student-friendly name. I'm just going to relabel it ALEKS again, and I'm going to scroll down and hit Submit. I now have enabled this ALEKS tool in my course, and I need to go ahead and click on it to sign into my account and pick the course that I want to pair. If you're already signed in, you may not see this screen, but the first screen that's going to appear is asking you if you already have an ALEKS account. You'll want to say yes, you have an instructor account at this institution because you likely already have an instructor account that you've been utilizing. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into my instructor account first, and when I hit continue, it'll then ask me which course that I want to pair. In this case, I am actually going to pair an existing course because I've already gone into my ALEKS account and created the course that I need. If you have not done that yet, you can also create a new class by using this tool down here, and you can either copy or create a brand new class from scratch. Since I've already created it, I'm going to use that existing courses link and make sure that I have the right course for the right semester and click continue. I am now paired with ALEKS, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the ALEKS class dashboard. I have a couple steps left depending on what I want to do in my course. I'm going to go ahead and deep link my assignments, and I'm going to turn on Gradebook syncing, but both of these steps are optional depending on what you want to do with your course. For Blackboard specifically, what we're going to do is we're going to deep link our assignments first before we turn on the Gradebook syncing to avoid double columns coming over. So I'm actually going to go back into my Blackboard tab for a minute to turn on my deep linking. Again, I'm going to be on the Content tab, and underneath Build Content, this time I'm looking for the ALEKS Deep Link tool. This Deep Link tool will allow you to deep link all of your assignments that you have in your ALEKS course. For this demonstration purpose, I just have 3 assignments in here, so I'm going to select all and click Add. I have now added those deep links to my course, so my students can either access ALEKS through the ALEKS link overall, or they can access those assignments through their direct links as well. I'm now going to go into my ALEKS tab, and I'm going to go under Gradebook and go into Gradebook Setup to turn on my Gradebook syncing. On this page, you'll want to make sure your weights are distributed as you need them, and then you'll go down and click Synchronize Grades. You'll then have some options. You can synchronize on the due date or on submission, and then it'll ask you which assignments you want to sync, and I'm just going to go ahead and click All. Once I hit save, all of those assignments that I have in my course will now be syncing over the grades for the course.